Hello? Uh-huh. Yeah, I think I should definitely talk about that. All right. All right, take care. Bye. In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about why basics still matter, even if you're going forward with things like generative AI. So let's go. All right, everybody, back with another episode and still trying to figure things out. Well, that's never going to end here, with me at least, but I wanted to just have a brief conversation about the basics. Because as we move forward with creativity and craft and the tech of what we do, which is content creation, we're just going to put it under that big bucket or umbrella. It's still important to understand that the more you know about traditional photography, video production, filmmaking, the more effective you will be at things like prompting or creating elements that can be used for generative AI. I am definitely in the beginning stages of my journey related to generative AI. But the one thing that I am very thankful for is that I understand the basics of how cameras work, how lighting works, on a good day, how audio works. Not my strongest area, but not my weakest. And basically just having that foundation. Now, I was talking to a kid today who I'm going to do some mentoring for over the summer, who is interested in becoming better at photography, better at video production. And I recommended that he get this book here, which is called Exposure. Not Mastering Exposure. That's another book by the author David Taylor, but just Exposure. It's an infographic book, which I've talked about in the past, which I think is very effective at describing and showing visually the basics of and the foundation for photography, and also which will apply to cinematography or filmmaking or video capture. So he's going to get this book. Next week, I'm going to start to go over both smartphone cameras and that flow. He has an iPhone 14 Pro. Maybe touch on getting into a third-party app, but also lending him and having him start to work with a mirrorless camera so he can understand the basics of the triangle, ISO or ASA, shutter speed, aperture, and then just understanding how to operate a camera. So whether you're using real cameras or using virtual cameras, that knowledge base is going to be very helpful to anyone who's moving forward with creating content in an AI, at least maybe not world, but an AI populated world in terms of the tools that we have creatively. So that's all this episode's about. It's about not forgetting the basics. And while I think there will be people who can prompt to a degree effectively who don't have any of those basics or that foundation, when you understand the language of photography, of video production, of cinematography and filmmaking as a whole, when you are describing what you want to create, whether it's a still reference image that you're going to feed in for video, or it's going to just be prompts that are going to create video, AI generated video, having those basics is going to be a big deal. That's what I got for you. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.